Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let us assume. Today we gonna solve another exercise problem of SK Mapa's real analysis book about sequence. So let's start the math. So if you 0 is less than un less than 1 and un plus 1 is giving like that, where un plus 1 is equal to 1 minus root over 1 minus un for all n greater equal to 0, we have to prove that the sequence un is converges to 0, and number 2 is limit un plus 1 by un is equal to half. So first we will prove that the sequence un is converges to 0, then the second one. Okay, so let's start. We know that 1 minus un plus 1 is equal to root over 1 minus un for all n greater equal to 1, or 1 minus un to the power half. Okay, again using this relation we can say that 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus un minus 1, putting the value of un whole to the power half, or we can say that 1 minus un minus 1 is whole to the power 1 by 2 square. Next term similar in proceeding in similar way, next term will be 1 minus 2n minus 2 whole to the power 1 by 2 whole cube, and dot dot dot. Similarly we can proceed this way, we can get at 1 minus u1 whole to the power n 2n 1 by 2n. Okay, since there is 2 minus 2 n minus 2, the power of 1 by 2 is cube 3. This is 3 greater than 1, so we can write 1 as like n minus 1. So n minus 1 plus 1 will be n, that's why the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power, that's why we can write the power 1 by 2 whole to the power n. Okay, so we have this relation. One minus un plus 1 is equal to 1 minus u1 whole to the power 1 by 2 to the power n. Taking limit both side, taking limit on both sides, we get 1 minus limit un plus 1 is equal to limit 1 minus u1 whole to the power n, or 1 minus limit un plus 1 is equal to one minus u1 limit 1 by 2 whole to the power n. The limit will be 0, so we can write to the power 0 or 1, or solving this we have limit un plus 1 is equal to 0. Again we all know that limit un plus 1 is equal to limit un, so we can write limit un is equal to 0. That will prove the first part, that is the sequence un is converges to 0. Okay, if you have any question about the first part, ask me in the comment section. Now quickly move on to the second part. limit un plus 1 by un is equal to limit, putting the value of un plus 1, we will have, this is 0 by 0 form, since limit un is equal to 0 from the first part. So this will be 0 and put this value, the limit un also 0, so this will become a 0 by 0 form. So we will apply the L'Hospital rule, that is differentiate both sides. So we will have un dashed in the denominator, and this will be minus half 1 minus n whole to the power 3 by, not 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus is for un, minus un and un dashed. This will be the derivative. So minus minus will be positive, cancel out each other, and un dash is cancel out each other. So part will remain limit 1 minus un to the power half up. So the value of this limit will be, or we can say that, or limit un plus 1 by un is equal to half into limit 1 minus un to the power half. Okay, or we can say that root over limit 1 minus limit 1 by root over. Okay, so that limit will be 0, this is 1, so the limit will be half. Okay, this is proved. So using L'Hospital rule, we can easily prove the second part. So if you have any question about the second part, ask me in the comment section. And if you are new in the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.